Hello V.F.E crew, hello. We are out here on Captiva. We're trying a different spot today. We got the old man Ezekiel. Viejo. Got the guys. Got the Humvee. We ready. We out here to try something different, see what we catch, see what species are out here. We got wifey up there on the bridge checking it out already. Let's see what we can catch today. Tell V.F.E how you feeling, Mom.
The ocean is beautiful and it's a family moment, so I feel very good.
Is that your honest truth?
Say it with your chest. I hate fishing. I hate being here, getting bitten by all this whatever it is here. Sand, I'm like, I hate it. I really do.
Did you guys take a fish home?
One little fish, well, a legal little fish. That's it. Because everything else we had to throw back.
And how does that make you feel?
Very, very
Bothered?
yes, that's all I'm gonna say because God is watching.
You know he reads your mind, right?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Come on, go look, bring it up. Slowly. Let him get tired, Let him get tired. Wait. Brian has a big one.
Here, Zaya. Let me grab
Let him get tired. Fight him, Gordo, fight him.
Here, grab it.
Fight him.
Turn the mom.
Ahí está. No, it's quick. Fight him, let him get tired.
Mom.
Put that rod to work, boy.
He's recording, Brian. Wait, hold the fish. Can I bring it over here?
Let him go.
Zaya, wait.
Okay, don't let him get tired. Don't break over yet.
Hold it. It's slipping out my hand.
Walk back.
This squid. Look, the squid is hanging out.
Okay, take him out. Keep pulling.
Take him out, Daddy.
Walk towards the video. Go. Come on, Gordo, come on.
Mom, look at him.
Got him? Oh, look. Come on, bring him in, puppy.
Two people. Right there. Come on, Brian, come on.
Come on.
Go, Brian.
Hold it. Stop it. Hold it. Let go.
Good job, Brian!
Yo! Oh my God. They broke up the wood. Go, hold it, Brian. Hold it. Give it 5.
Wow!
He broke up right now. Hold it. Go to the camera.
Wow, good job, Brian!
Wow, Saya, that's my second one. Woo!
Yeah, this is.
got the baby. First you got the mom, now you got the baby. Ezekiel got the biggest fish. Look at that. Come here, Ezekiel. And another. You're too close. There we go. And another. That's the other baby.
Come on, Brian, come on. Let it fight, let it fight. That's my little fisherman right there. What you got? What you got? Tati. Walk back. Walk back, walk back. Coge la línea, coge la línea. Oh, pick it up, Gordo. Pick it up. And we got another. Come on, Brian. Come on, today's your day, boy. Come on, boy. Another red. He's the red slayer. Yeah, buddy. Red Slayer. Baby red.
Tati, what you got?
That's killer sheephead, bro.
Let me see. What does Tati have? 2 for 1.
Are they good to keep or not really? Okay, so we'll take them back out. Hello V.F.E crew. Hello, how we doing? Hopefully everyone having a great day. We are out here in Captiva Island. We're out here with the family, catching a bunch of fish. We caught some red drums, we've caught snook, we've caught a bunch of catfish, but overall we've had a great time. We appreciate all of you guys subscribing. For those who haven't subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, give us some pointers, tell us what you guys think about this channel. The kids are having a blast. Now we get to go home and enjoy the rest of the day. So you guys have a great day. God bless and stay safe. And we're out of here.